In this video, I'm going to show you ElevenLabs full tutorial for 2026, the exact workflow professionals don't want you knowing. If you're new to ElevenLabs or want a faster and more professional workflow, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to go from script to finish voiceover. First, make sure you are logged into your ElevenLabs account. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll see tools like Speech, Studio, Voices, Speech to Text, Dubbing, and more. For most YouTube videos and voiceovers, you'll mainly use the text to speech and voices in studio. Now, start by clicking the text to speech. In here, you can paste your script into text editor and then click the voice drop down and then choose a voice from the voice library. If your account supports it, you can select the latest 11 Labs models version 3. Go back and you will see here the model. Click this and you will see different types of models. Select the latest 11 version 3 model for more natural pronunciation and better emotional delivery. So before generating your entire script, paste only one or two paragraphs and click the generate button. Listen carefully for pronunciation being an awkward pauses. So I will play the generation 1 as an example.
Funny joke he knows. Like, I wanted something so dead inside, it circles back to being hilarious.
So if something sounds off, you can edit your script by adding punctuation or shortening long sentences, then regenerate only that section. And once you're happy with the voice, continue generating the rest of your script into a small sections instead of one long narration. This is the workflow many professional creators use because it's much easier to fix one paragraph than regenerate an entire 10-minute voiceover. Now, let's head over to the studio. Click the studio and click this new blank project button. Here you can organize your generated audio, edit specific sections, assign different voices to different speakers, and preview the entire narration before exporting. So when everything sounds right, you can click export and choose the highest quality audio format available on your plan. You can save the file, then import it into your favorite video editor to add visuals, subtitles, music, and final effects. And one last tip, always save your studio project even after exporting. If you need to update your script later, you can edit only the necessary lines instead of recreating the entire narration from scratch. And that's it. That's how to use 11 Labs from start to finish with the professional workflow in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.